Everyone knows we need to save resources and create less waste, helping build a more circular economy. But how do we design for this in practice? We started working with Keith Harrison, a clever chemist who invented a new process to collect all those old and unused paint tins sitting in UK garages and sheds, and then re-engineer it back into a good quality recycled paint. Keith had teamed up with David Cornish from Dulexona AkzoNobel to take recycled paint into the mainstream. Together, they'd identified a huge circular economy opportunity for an innovative new product that could reduce landfill, save resources, and lower carbon emissions. But our clients faced technical and commercial challenges to make this a reality. So they turned to Seymour Powell for help. Our first problem was getting all that unused paint out of tins quickly and cost-effectively. Paint is surprisingly difficult to decant, and residues can cause problems with tin recycling and disposal. At the moment, waste paint is scooped out by hand, in a laborious, manual process. We rolled up our sleeves and got to work in our usual practical way. First, we set up a paint recycling station in our workshop. We got hold of a lot of old paint and got to work on mechanising the process. We tried many technologies to extract unused paint. We tried shaking paint out with vibration. We tried crushing cans to squeeze out the paint. And we tried blowing paint out with high-pressure air jets. But none of these really worked or looked cost-effective. Then we found a promising solution used for wasted food. We tested a huge worm screw that crushes cans and drains out paint at the same time. It looked really promising, but proved too big and expensive in the end. Finally, we found a powerful industrial vacuum cleaner, which we used to literally suck the paint out of tins. It proved quick, effective, and financially viable. We further developed this off-the-shelf kit to make it suitable for paint recycling. Things didn't always go smoothly, and we made several prototypes along the way. We settled on a final design, and then trialled this suction technology with waste handler Veolia. They plan to recycle paint commercially from all the waste they currently collect. Initial trials proved really successful, and the feedback has been great. Suction technology allows paint to be recycled at 1/7 the cost of manually decanting. It can reduce repetitive strain injury, improve can recycling, and is easier and greener to clean. It could really scale up the way paint gets recycled today. That means fewer resources get dug up, a lot less paint gets wasted, and more new recycled products are on offer, which is better all round. Once you've recycled all that waste paint, however, it needs to go somewhere. Our second challenge was figuring out how to market recycled paint. Together, we identified a clear target customer, and Seymour Powell developed a series of recycled paint propositions, which we tested with potential buyers to see if they were attractive. They showed great interest in a new recycled paint, and we found strong interest in the product. There's still much work to do, but the three of us will be busy with this throughout 2016. Our hands-on, practical approach is helping Keith and David turn waste paint into wealth and make circular economy theory a reality. And if that's what we can do with paint, imagine what could be done with the world's other waste problems.